Hi to all beautiful people. This is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. If you are suffering from frequent headache, migraine, so here is the solution, guys. Let's do the best yoga poses. Can we start? Please do close your eyes. Sit in Dhyan Mudra, Mudra of knowledge. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And release. 30 seconds you need to close your eyes and do the meditation. That is really going to help you a lot. That is good for stimulating our nervous system. Your brain will function more, guys. So please do sit for 30 seconds or increase the time. This is really good. Now let's start with the simple poses. First we are going to do forehead lifter pose. So please place your hand on your forehead properly. Hold it. Look up, close your eyes. 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 Look up, close your eyes and release. So this will strengthen your muscle. Amazing asana, guys. Believe me, you are going to see amazing result. Now let's do the second pose. This we call index pose. Place your index finger center of your forehead. Apply light pressure. A very gentle rotation. Reverse. And release. Try to do every asana for 3 times. Amazing result. Now let's do second acupressure point, which is very good to control headache. Side of your forehead, temporal region. Apply light pressure. Close your eyes. Apply pressure for 10 seconds. Very gentle rotation, guys. Reverse. And release. Relax yourself. Let's do the rubbing massages, which is very good and very easy also, guys. Keep your hand and do the light rubbing. Reverse. And release. Sesame oil is excellent. It helps to absorb all the pain. So please do apply sesame oil if you have headache and migraine. Let's do this again. Fingertip properly, guys, and very gentle rotation, circular massage. Make sure you're doing it for 10 count and reverse. A very light circle massage that helps to increase more blood circulation and release all the unexpected stress that you are holding. Now let's do the mindfulness pose. Is one of my favorite pose. Hold here, center of your forehead. Swipe it gently. Close your eyes. Apply light pressure. With index finger, gently rotate your eyeball. 3, 1, 2, 3, and release. Amazing. So hope you all enjoyed the video, and with this I will request you, reason for the headache when your body get dehydrated. So make sure, guys, you are going to drink lot of water every half an hour, half glass of water, and this simple exercises in 7 days you can see very good result. Do like and share. We'll see you again. Thank you.